Okay guys, keep scrolling. This is for my queens, ladies going through the menopause and perimenopause. So I have been sick with the plague of 25 for the last week and a half, and if you're like me, and I pushed out 4 babies, and ever since I pushed out 4 babies, I've been peeing myself since I was like in my 30s. And just by laughing, by sneezing, anything. And you look at me the wrong way and I'll pee. Well, this cough has been basically just ensuring that I pee my pants all the time. So yesterday I went to the store and I was looking for liners. I just wanted liners. I didn't want the underwear. That's all you can find. All you can find if you need pee support is underwear, and I'm not putting on paper underwear. So I found these liners, and I was all excited because I have to put my glasses on to read it. It was a very ensuring message that was so beautiful. It says, "You've got this. Everything's going to be okay. Bladder support." So I'm like, oh, wow, thank you. This is going to be wonderful. Have you tried Honey Pot? If you've been like me and you haven't had periods and haven't needed pads, there's a new product out on the market called Honey Pot. So I was like, oh, that sounds like a cute name. It's sweet. It's supporting me. It's all loving. Yay. Well, little did I know, it's got this concoction of things that go on the pad. So you get a little surprise. About 2 or 3 minutes after you put it on, you get this little hot, cold surprise between your legs. And I swear to God, it's like hot flashes going on between your legs now too. So you've not only got hot flashes happening within your body, you've got it happening between your legs. What the heck? So, I mean, it feels cold sometimes, and then it feels warm other times, and it's like you're going through the whole thing. I mean, maybe it does distract you from the hot flashes going through your body. Maybe it distracts you from having to pee. I have no idea. I don't know what it's for. I don't know if I like it, if I don't like it. I'm very curious about it. I'm like, I don't know. I mean, I used to sell sex toys and sell all of the lotions and things that did things down there, and this does not quite match that, so I don't really know. But if you tried Honey Pot, I would love to know what your opinion is. If you have a liner for, like you found for peeing yourself that works well, I would love to know. Yeah, give it a try if you want to try a party between your legs, and let me know if you like it during menopause.